Lately, there has been a copious amount of discussion on depression. People assume it as something not to be cared about. But after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, it has become a hot topic for discussion. So, even I thought to speak and share my views on it. The first question that arises is, what is depression? All we know is it is a feeling of severe despondency and dejection, which is the accurate definition that Google gives us. But can it be understood by just these few words? Or is it something more complicated than that? Basically, it is known that stress is a major cause for depression. But is it just a minimal amount of stress? So let me tell you more about it. Even stress has 5 different stages. The first 2 stages alarms you and your body about you being stressed out. The third stage, called recovery, is a chance for you to recover. But if you skip this stage, then it's going to lead you to the adaptation of it and entering the fifth stage, called the burnout stage. You have totally lost control over your mind. On reaching this stage, your sense of stability is hampered. You will now become mentally weak. And further, all of you know what are the major steps one can take. The older generations might think it is one's naivety that leads to depression and it's his or her fault. But honestly speaking, no one purposely wants to get depressed, right? It is one's simultaneous failure, lost opportunities, dominating environment that makes someone mentally unstable. And facing these problems on a regular basis makes one feel useless about his or herself. Pressure from all the directions make the human mind tensed, and obviously in today's generation where there's competition everywhere, intense pressure builds up. Stress may advance the human mind towards various intoxicants and medications. Excess use of these will again proceed the human brain towards depression. Day by day, the body will start experiencing weird changes, both internally and externally, which may result in various conflicts. Finally, all these causes will assemble the human brain towards disturbance. Just knowing about these facts and causes are not enough. Rather, we also need to learn ways to help those suffering from it. I myself am not sure what ways are the most effective, but certainly I can tell that people who are not suffering from depression might not really know what it actually feels like. They might not even have the least idea of how the brain starts working at this stage. So, judging someone on the basis of his or her actions while suffering from it, according to me, is not something to be appreciated. What needs to be appreciated is helping the one suffering from it, making them smile and making them realize there's much more to their life which will help them grow gradually. Motivating them and making them realize their own capabilities will eventually cure them. This will help pull them out of the loneliness and will bring them back to their normal life. When you Google depression, the images you come across will portray a person alone with a really dark background. So, when I look at these images, I realize that they are not just black images. Rather, black represents the color that they really feel. Everything seems to be dark from their eyes. They find themselves alone in a dark and noise-proof world where they can only hear their own depressed self asking them to take some actions and set themselves free. Whatever I have told may not exactly explain their situation. There may be more to it which no one knows apart from the person facing it. Every person who looks happy from outside might be sad and depressed from the inside. Even though they wouldn't convey it to the outer world, but they would give some indirect hints to the one they are speaking to. But it depends on us whether we have the capabilities and understandings to help them out by believing in them. Someone's body language can also guide us to the path of knowing the person being depressed or not. All in all, there are various methods that can provide us the clues of finding out a depressed. If we are really close to someone, we do need to protect them at any cost because they trust us to save them and help them throughout their hard times.